Hello viewers. Meet again with me on MAU channel. This time I will explain about the benefits of tomatoes for health and gynecology. The benefits of tomatoes seem familiar to everyone around the world. Tomatoes do have a distinctive flavor, and are often used by people as one of the spices in cooking. Not only a spice dish, but the nutritional content in the tomato provides benefits to the body. Tomato nutritional content. Nutrients in one serving of raw tomatoes, 1 cup or 150 grams, include vitamins A, C, K, folate and potassium. Tomatoes contain sodium, saturated fat, cholesterol and low calories. Most of us are unaware of sufficient mineral intake. But tomatoes present a good mineral content such as thiamin, niacin, vitamin B6, magnesium, phosphorus and copper. Tomatoes also contain 4 major carotenoid types: alpha, beta-carotene, lutein, and Lycopene. These carotenoids can be beneficial individually, but also have synergies as a group, i.e., they interact to provide health benefits. In particular, tomatoes contain an amazing amount of lycopene that is thought to have the highest antioxidant benefits of all carotenoids. According to a study from Ohio State University, tomatoes consumed along with healthy fats, such as those found in the benefits of avocado or the benefits of olive oil, can help the absorption of phytochemicals of carotenoids in the body up to 2 to 15 times. All these are the nutrients needed for good body health. With the abundant nutritional content, what are the benefits of tomatoes for our health? The benefits of tomatoes for health have been believed to help a variety of serious problems to cancer. A number of nutrients in the tomato is very useful for the health of the body. Among them useful as: Number 1. Treating cancer. The study of cancer found that tomatoes combined with the benefits of broccoli are synergized and can help reduce cancer. The results showed that prostate tumors grew more slowly in mice fed tomatoes and broccoli powder, compared to rats given Lycopene as a supplement or eating only broccoli or tomatoes alone. Lycopene contents. Studies at the University of Montreal show that a diet rich in tomatoes can help reduce the risk of pancreatic cancer. The researchers found that Lycopene content, the main content in tomatoes, was associated with a 31% reduction in pancreatic cancer risk in men with the highest and lowest intake of the substance. This content is more common in cooked tomatoes. Number 2. Improves eye ability. Tomatoes contain a very powerful antioxidant, that is beta-carotene, which is responsible for the function of vitamin A in the body. As in the benefits of carrots, vitamin A provided by tomatoes can improve vision and help prevent night blindness. Recent research has shown that consuming tomatoes may help reduce the risk of macular degeneration, a serious and untreatable eye condition. Number 3. Increase breast milk. Breastfeeding mothers need foods that can increase the production of SI as the benefits of katuk leaves. But tomatoes can also be another alternative to increase the concentration of Lycopene SI. In this case, cooked tomatoes will give the best results, because the researchers found that tomato products such as tomato sauce provide an increase in the concentration of Lycopene in breast milk more than fresh tomatoes. Number 4. Lose weight. Tomatoes can help you lose weight as a diet made with a sports plan that should also be done. Consume lots of tomatoes into your daily diet by making them as snacks such as salads, casseroles, sandwiches and other foods. Because tomatoes contain a lot of water and fiber, so it becomes one of the foods that can fill the stomach quickly, without adding the risk of adding calories or fat in it. Number 5. Reduces pain. If you are more likely to experience pain, such as arthritis or back pain, tomatoes can ease the pain. The content of bioflavonoids and carotenoids, and anti-inflammatory substances that can overcome inflammation. This includes also in the inflammation that occurs in chronic diseases that usually require drugs to fight the pain, anti-inflammatory. Number 6. Maintaining heart health. Potassium content can help the body maintain cardiovascular health as well as fiber. Potassium, vitamin C, and choline in a tomato is essential for the heart. This type of potassium intake and combined with a low sodium diet can help prevent us from cardiovascular disease. Number 7. Prevent hypertension. Reducing sodium is one of the steps in preventing hypertension, but increasing potassium intake is important to help in preventing blood high pressure. The benefits of tomatoes for beauty. Benefits of vegetables rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A. Provide usefulness to nourish the skin and hair, as well as on the tomatoes. Beta-carotene, also found in the benefits of sweet potatoes and carrots that help protect the skin against sun damage. Then vitamin A in tomatoes is very good for hair, as follows. Number 8. Oily skin razor. In oily skin, some skin problems often appear. Acne can be prevented by the use of tomato mask every semi-u twice. The combination of tomato and avocado tomatoes also help combat blackheads, because they synergize with natural antibacterial substances and prevent irritation of the skin. How to use. First, slice the fresh tomatoes as necessary. Second, paste on oily skin 10 to 15 minutes. Third, rinse with clean water. Fourth, do it regularly morning and night before bed. The oil on the skin will soon disappear. Number 9. As sunscreen. The scorching sun that directly burns the skin can be prevented by tomatoes are smeared on the skin. The content of lycopene in tomatoes, making the skin more sensitive to UV damage. In addition, in the event of inflammation can be added a little yogurt on the skin that occurs inflammation. How to use. First, tomato juice 1 to 2 pieces without water. Second, apply to the skin evenly before leaving the house. Third, allow 10 to 15 minutes. Fourth, then wash with clean water. Number 10. Overcoming hair loss. Vitamin A found in tomatoes, very good keep the luster and hair strength. And it works real well for healthy teeth and bones. Although tomatoes cannot help thin hair like celery benefits, but tomatoes by consuming tomatoes, will make the hair look better. How to use. First, tomato juice 1 to 3 pieces in accordance with the needs of hair. Second, shampoo the hair with the tomato juice, or consumption of raw tomatoes regularly. Number 11. Prevent acne. Tomatoes also contain vitamin E, which can be used as a deterrent of acne coming back on facial skin. Its use is easy enough to make it a mask, as well as the benefits of cucumber. How to use. First, slice 1 tomato. Second, Paste on the facial skin where your acne. Third, allow 30 minutes. Fourth, rinse with clean water. Do it regularly. Number 12. Preventing blackheads. Blackheads is one of the skin problems that can be exploited with tomatoes. The main cause of blackheads is the oil that settles on the skin. Making tomatoes as a mask will be very effective to prevent and eliminate blackheads. How to use. First, slice 1 tomato. Second, paste on the facial skin where your acne. Third, allow 30 minutes. Fourth, rinse with clean water. Do it regularly. In addition to the benefits of tomatoes for health and beauty above, we should review the benefits based on the nutritional content of most tomatoes. What is the highest tomato nutritional content? The benefits of tomatoes based on their gynecology. We will review the benefits of tomatoes based on its nutritional content is good enough for health. Here is the highest nutritional content of tomatoes from 100 grams serving. Vitamin C, 23.4 milligrams /100 gr, 26% daily requirement. Vitamin A, 883 IU /100 gr, 17% daily requirement. Potassium, 237 milligrams /100 gr, 7% daily requirement. Manganese, 0.1 milligram /100 gr, 6% daily requirement. Vitamin K, 7.9 mcg /100 gr, 10% daily requirement. Fiber, 1.2 g /100 gr, 5% daily requirement. Folic acid, 15 mcg /100 gr, 4% daily requirement. Vitamin B6, 0.1 milligram /100 gr, 4% daily requirement. Vitamin B3, 0.6% /100 gr, 3% daily requirement. Iron, 0.1 milligram /100 gr, 3% daily requirement. Quite a lot is not the benefits of tomatoes for health and for beauty. That is the benefits of tomatoes that are needed by the body. Do not forget to like and subscribe this video, to provide other good information. See you later. Thank you.